Hello, David here at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a newly listed 2012 Crownline 265 SS. This boat was recently detailed. As you can see, it's got a water sport tower, aluminum. It does have bottom paint. The trailer is sitting on is a yard trailer. It is not included in the sale. We have a Bravo 3 drive on the aft with a 350 horsepower Mercruiser engine, stainless steel boarding ladder. Crownline flip-up cleats. There's dock lights in the bow. Let's get up on deck. We'll show you some more. Okay, we moved up on deck. You can see there's a large extended swim platform. There's a pull in the back, large sun pad. We can walk through the starboard or the port side transom. On the port side, there's an onboard charger and stereo controls. You can reach from the water. As we enter into the cockpit, we have dual captain's chairs. A ski locker under my feet. There's a nice large table that sits right in that post right there. Moving up the port side, you can see we have nice head compartment. There's the table and that bag right there. There's a sink on the shelf as well. A bow door, those cool nights. Underneath both front seats, there's a large storage area. Lots of storage on this 26-foot boat. There's a built-in cooler under the bow seat. There's a bow ladder with anchor storage. Starboard side, lots and lots of storage. Goes way underneath the helm there. Flip-up armrests. Bolsters on the captain's chairs, full instrumentation and switches, tilt steering, of course our throttle control. There are cushions underneath this back seat. That makes this a full bench with backrest across the back of the boat. This boat is newly listed on brokerage at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, I'll show you the rest. Thank you.